So what are core, border and noise objects in DBSCAN? In this example, we see that the epsilon neighborhood of A, if we see, it has A, B, E, H. The values which we have taken for the parameters epsilon is 2 and the mean points or the minimum number of points for a dense neighborhood is 3. So for a distance of 2, considering the Manhattan distance, we get the points A, B, E, H around A. About E, when we look at E, again the epsilon neighborhood of E contains A, B, E. It also contains G and H. Similarly, we take one more example of F and we see that it contains G and H along with F. So the epsilon neighborhood of all these A, E, F contain more than or equal to 3 points. So we say that these are core objects, and this also holds true for AEF, which also, AEF contain min points, and also for BHG. See, we have this B point, we have this H point and G, and we can see that at distance 2, we have 3 points at least. So these are core objects. So what is a border object? For the same example, we consider C. The epsilon neighborhood of C contains only C and B. So which is less than mean point, so it is not a core object. However, it falls within the epsilon neighborhood of B. So this is a border object. It is not a core itself, but falls within the epsilon neighborhood of another core object. So this is our border object. Now the noise object, core objects we have identified A, B, E, F, G, H. C is a border object. Now let us look at D. What happens to D? The epsilon neighborhood of D contains only D, so it is not core, and it also does not fall within the epsilon neighborhood of any core, so it is a noise object. Thank you.